Hello friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. In the before videos we discussed about different statistical definitions with examples. Now in this tutorial we are starting with a new batch like that. Okay. Introduction to data science for related to the all core is related to the statistics. Okay. First we will see this is the introduction video of data science. From the next video onwards we will do on statistics videos. Okay, now first we will see what is data science, then what is the connection between data science and statistics, then we move next later on videos we will do on statistics. Okay, now if we see the that what is data science. Okay, nowadays data science is very trending because huge number of data. This is the only reason why data science is more important, means huge number of data. Okay, see, before going to the data science, we can see what is science. You know that way, science means generally anything it can be proved practically. If it is proving practically, then we can say that it is a science. See, a special approach to find the answer of a query. This is the science. Okay. Now we see what is the data, means collection of information. It should be reliable information, means exact information. Then if you see the what is the data science, a scientific approach for retrieving the information from the data. Means data science means you are doing some analysis from the based on data. It should be practically proved. That is the science. Okay, this is the brief interview of data science. Now we see what is the connection between data and statistics. Data is very important of information but cannot speak itself. We cannot understand what is the data telling us. Means for example you have data of 50. Okay, for example I say SV university we have. In the SV university we have approximately 30,000. I am taking just assumption 30,000 students. Now I need to collect all the students details like their age, their gender, then their qualification, then everything. Then this will becomes under one data table. See, this is the data. When we see the data we cannot say anything, but when you do some analysis by using the for gender we can analyze the pie chart. Okay, uh, how much percentage of boys, how much percentage of girls. Then we can say for age we use the class intervals, then we can easily identify like that. This is so data cannot tell anything. When you analyze something then only it will tell something. Okay, see, the statistics is the language of data. How to collect the data, how to analyze that, how to draw a correct statistical inference. Inference means conclusion. How to decide the correct statistical tool on the based on the numerical fact is referred as the data analysis. Means for example I am saying right just now I say example. Now I have age is a my variable, then I need to draw proper bar chart or pie chart. I need to draw proper diagram. For example I have age variable, I am drawing that pie chart but it is not very looking. But when you do that by using class intervals, either histogram either bar chart, then it will be look like easy to understand also. This is the motive of correct statistical tool. Okay, the statistics is a science turning the data into information to be used for decision making. By using this we can easily decide there are 50 students, by the age 25 there are 50 60 students like that. Okay, see, the proper interpretation of inference is important. Statistics cannot do any, means statistics cannot do anything. You are doing everything, but you are just using statistics for doing all things. Okay, statistics cannot change the process of phenomena. Okay, this scientific way of extracting and retrieving information. Okay, this is the main important. Okay, scientific. Okay, so now see how collect data and why we need to collect data to verify theoretical findings, draw inference just on the basis of collect data, developing statistical models which can be further used for falsification and classification, forecasting and everything. Nowadays different softwares also there. Now we will discuss everything. See, this is the statistical mechanism. Okay, we can say, see, if you are if you have some data. Okay, you need to select one statistical technique. For example I allotted, you can take different examples also. you need to take proper statistical tool, otherwise it will generate some errors. Software give, if you put anything exact commands, it will give output. Software don't know the statistical tool is correct for that data or not. That's why we need to, when you are doing modeling or everything forecasting in any software, you need to remember what is our data, then which statistical tool is significant. Okay, this is all. Thanks. Okay. Okay, from the next video onwards, we will cover these all topics with manually and R software and Python and everything. Okay. First, we will see introductions to statistics, then how to describe data, how to visualize data, probability and design of variability, then random variables, sampling distributions, confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, p-value, chi-square. Then we have regression, ANOVA, design of experiment, statistical quality control, time series. These all topics are very important for basic statistics for doing data science course. If you don't know these all topics, then it is very difficult for doing data science course. Okay, from the next onwards we will start this. This is a just introduction about data science. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can comment.